welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell, I am super pumped about this Halloween look. I am here to serve you extra terrestrial glam. With this look, you are guaranteed to be the hottest species at the Halloween party. So go ahead and tell Lady Satan to have several seats. There's a new bitch in town. So let's get started. Real quick, I'm going to put in my circle lenses. Taking the iMagic Flash Color Palette, I'm going to be mixing red, blue, pink, turquoise, and white to make my foundation shade. Once it's all mixed up, you should more or less have a dark lavender shade. Go ahead and apply as you would normal foundation. Evenly disperse the color using a damp beauty blender. Make sure to get those ears. I'm going to use white as I normally would a concealer. Make sure to evenly blend that out as well. Using Ben Nye's Super White Powder, I'm going to set my face. I'm going to concentrate more powder under my eye area and my T-zone. Then go ahead and lightly dust powder over your entire face. Using Kat Von D's 24 Hour Super Brow and Roxy Purple, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows as I normally would. Using the Karity Matte Palette, I'm taking the shade Disturbia and darkening my brows, just so that they can stand out more. Then I clean up around my brows with white. Next, taking the shade Lumbia and the Morphe M513 brush, I'm applying the color in my crease and blending it up towards my brow using windshield wiper and circular motions. I didn't realize my camera cut out, but all I did was repeat the process with the shade Ego. Next, apply Phantom to the outer V using C-shaped and circular motions to create a nice purple smoky eye. Now I'm just taking LA Girl's Pro Concealer and creating a half cut crease. I'm going to set the concealer using the shade Whisper and then blend it out until it transitions nicely into the previous shade. For my glitter, I am mixing 2 regular glitters with a chunky glitter so I can get a custom shade. So this is what I have with the 3 glitters mixed together. I didn't measure it, I just eyeballed it. I'm going to apply the glitter using Duo Lash Glue, and I do this just because when I apply the lash glue, my glitter doesn't crease, it doesn't budge, it doesn't move, it stays where it's supposed to be at all times. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner with NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliners ever. I'm not really going to go over the technique for this because I have a few other videos where I thoroughly explain it, so I'm just going to go ahead and whiz right through it. Once done, using the shade Phantom, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to use Ben Nye's Clown White Cream Face Paint to start the base of my gem. I just prefer this over the iMagic palette just because it's a little bit thicker. I'm just going to paint in an oval shape. Then lightly set it with Super White Powder. Then I'm going to fill it in using the shades Phantom and Enchant, the darker shade on the outside and then getting lighter as you go towards the center. Make sure you blend the shades and transition the colors. To give the gem detail, I'm going to use Mehron Paradise paint in black and white. I'm going to begin by drawing a diamond shape in the center. using a precision paintbrush. Then draw a line directly out from the 4 points. Then draw diagonal lines connecting 2 points to one another. You should have a larger outer diamond. Keep connecting points together until you have your desired gem effect. Paint in triangles around the perimeter with black face paint. Then highlight the gem as desired with white face paint and clean up any messy lines. Taking the brush I was just using, I'm going to use the back of it to add dots around the gem. Then outline those dots with black face paint. I'm just going to add some curved lines and dots to the side to make this look more like a headpiece. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some shading to give this headpiece more dimension and make it look like it's more, 3D. I'm going to add some white dots just to give it a little bit more of a sparkle effect. Go ahead and quickly contour my nose. For my blush, I'll be using Karity Blush Balm Boom Berry Trio. I'm applying the blush across the bridge of my nose and under my eyes. As we come to an end, I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of myself off camera. I'm going to apply NYX Slide On Glide On Pure White Eyeliner to my waterline. This will help my eyes appear larger. And the lashes I'll be wearing are going to be from the Mrs. Carter collection by Elena Lashes. Luxury lashes for a luxury bitch. These mink lashes are very pretty and they're also really comfortable. Whew, goddamn! Hey Bambi. And I'll be using the gold highlight from Beyond Beauty to highlight my face. Wow, so shiny. Are those gamma rays flashing at me, or are you just happy to see me? For my lipstick, I'm using Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick, Nice to Fuschia. I want the lipstick to have more of a plush finish, so I'm going to finish applying the lipstick with a makeup brush and diffuse the color. And once the lips are squared away, the look is finished. Just serving some intergalactic realness.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I
didn't show anything on the ears, but I got them on Amazon and all I did was paint them purple and attach them around my ear. They're about $8 for 2 different size pairs, so can we say bargain? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you'd like, follow me on IG at O'Malley. Until next time, Mally Cats!